Here in Bangladesh, any organization or institute where I can do research related ML or DS under them for experience?
And there are actually, unfortunately, without affiliating with the tertiary level education, such as universities, or if you are not highly associated with some others, it may be difficult for you to get direct, that means direct involvement. However, nowadays we have several platforms, as for example, Gobeshok Hote Chai. This platform, these are helping you how to start your research, how do you get communicate. I am requesting Gobeshok Hote Chai to find out some such type of that means initiatives where they can get involved for practical research, actually practically involved with this research. In fact, I am not well aware, I am aware about some of the that means research institute, but they are not engaging students or research or people. Those are not, that means, connected with universities or different organizations. If you are related to some organizations, you may have some opportunity to connect with some research organizations. But in our country, we have not so many. In Japan, there are many research organizations. We have not so much, so many facilities like this, actually. Hope we have to develop this in coming days.
Okay, sir.
Right now, if you want to, sorry, I am just adding one thing. Right now, if you want to do some research, please, you can communicate with Gobeshok Hote Chai. I think Gobeshok Hote Chai platform will take some initiatives, in general, some initiatives, so that those are interested in research, they can be in collaborative mode, collaboration. That's you can develop a website, or you can develop what can I say? You can develop a blog where everyone can share. There will be some grouping, and Gobeshok Hote Chai can play a vital role actually in this. As for example, I am interested in big data research. Who are interested in big data research? So we can be a group. After this group, we can have some brainstorming. We can share our strengths, weakness, and we can go forward together. Then it will be helpful for you. One important thing now, there's very online platform. This online platform is very helpful for you. And from this online platform, you can learn, you can get some direction, and you can even execute your codes, your programs. So although we have not so many in our country, but as we have internet connectivity, global information in the global internet is available, I think we can give a drive, even though we have not many.